delicious shrimp sauteed in bacon fat, sweet cabbage, and enriched egg batter covered in QP mayo and Japanese barbecue sauce, topped with bonito flakes, one of my favorite Japanese street foods. Okonomiyaki. 2 cups of flour. 1 teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 pound of cabbage, coarsely chopped, about 10 cups. One cup dashi or 1 cup water. I use water and my wife was like, it tastes a little different. Don't be lazy like me, make dashi. I have a recipe, I will link it below. 4 eggs. Mix well until all flour is combined. Green onions, sliced on a bias. Eight ounces of fresh pork belly or bacon. Add some seafood if you like, either shrimp or squid. Quarter cup toasted sesame oil. Cook on medium-high heat, 3 minutes on each side. And of course, QP mayo. If you know, you know. Okonomiyaki sauce, aka bulldog sauce. You can either make this or buy it. This is just some nori that's ground up really finely into a dust. Dried shaved bonito flakes, aka katsubushi. Top it off with some scallions. This is one of my favorite weeknight meals that I make a lot of, and you can meal prep it throughout the week. Okonomiyaki. I think Japanese cuisine is one of my favorite cuisines. Don't sleep on it. You just need a few key ingredients and you can make a lot of different dishes. Well, let's give it a taste and see how it came out. I've made this before, so I already know it's delicious. But I put some QP mayo on here, some bonito flakes, some shrimp, some bacon. You can use pork belly if you want. You can use octopus, really whatever you want. Cabbage is still crunchy, it's moist. I love the taste of the nori that's ground up and the bonito flakes. It's really nice. Gives a nice contrast to everything. The okonomiyaki sauce is so good. I actually make my own. You can buy it. It's called bulldog sauce, but it's so easy to make your own. Just a couple ingredients. So good. I had this when I went to Osaka when I was in Japan. It's considered street food over there, but it's so good. This is Osaka style, by the way. There is another style. We put noodles on the bottom. I haven't tried that yet. Probably try that in the future and make a video of it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.